Once again, we would like to find the domain of this rational function. And it's a rational function because we have a variable in the denominator, and we want to make sure that the denominator is never 0. So we're going to take our denominator, set it equal to 0, and then we are going to solve for x. So remember that when we have a square, we want to take the square root of both sides to counteract the square. And we're going to include plus or minus anytime we take the square root of both sides of an equation. Square and square root cancel out, so we're left with x squared minus 5 equals 0. We're going to add 5 to both sides. And then once again, we're going to take the square root of both sides to get rid of x squared. We just want x. And when we take the square root of both sides, we include plus or minus. So the values that we want to exclude from the real number line would be plus and minus square root of 5. I'm going to put them on the real number line, put open circles above them. I'm going to highlight everything in between and everything on either side. So my domain would be from negative infinity to negative square root of 5, open parentheses on both. And then from negative square root of 5 to positive square root of 5, so in between those two values, open parentheses on both. And then union square root of 5 to positive infinity. So this would be my domain of this function.